All right, you guys, welcome back to the HUMMERTrader Facebook community. We have some new updates over here, and let's dive into them right now. Let's watch this video of the seller. Looks like a 2010 American General Humvee, and it's a M1151. Let's start the video already. Video at 360. Like it's been restored. Good music on video. Okay, so let's continue on. Again, sellers put as many pictures as possible. Images are important, and then great video as well, good sound in the background. This is a SLANTBACK, it looks like. Take a look at this one, you guys. Definitely a cool looking truck, a lot of fun. Looks like there's been some TLC. Contact the seller. Seller information is here to the right. Again, these can be shipped nationwide, so increase your radius. If you don't find anything within your area, increase your radius. Nice looking interior. Again, fun truck, definitely an eye catcher. Anybody looking for a truck like this? Be a lot of fun. Let's check out what else we have. Now, this one's located on the HUMMERTrader Facebook community. Let's see what else we have, you guys. This also here just came listed. It's a 2003 Hummer H2 Sport. Again, H3s, H2s, great entry-level trucks. Prices are really, really low. High mileage on these trucks, but as long as they've been maintained, have a decent maintenance record, you're okay on that end. Take a look at the interior here. It looks original, but just maintained. Fewer the owners, the better on these trucks. Always have a pre-purchase inspection done, whether it's an H3, H2, or H1 Humvee. Always good to do if you don't feel comfortable. So again, a lot of images here, important for you sellers. Helps the buyers make up their mind whether they want to follow through with a contact with you. So this is pretty nice over here. Let's see what else we have just posted. And we just looked at this one right here. Let's go further up, check out, see what we have. This one here looks like has a lift kit on it. It's a 2003 H2. If you guys like a truck like this, get a hold of the seller. You guys remember too, this is only for Hummer and Humvee postings. If you'd like to become a member, answer the membership question, agree to the rules, and you're good to go. If you don't, you will be declined. Again, get a hold of the seller for this particular truck. We'll go to the very top. We have some accessories. And it's the top again, featured. Go through the featured, you guys. A lot of these trucks have not been sold. Some of them have. The seller does not remove the trucks sometimes, so they may still be up there, and contact the seller, see if they're still available. Again, HUMMERTrader.com coming soon. Like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. And if you'd like me to highlight your truck, contact me. My contact information is below in the description box on the YouTube channel. And we will see you guys soon. Take care.